How to enable or disable force allow apps on external storage on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then here tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Now in here, scroll down to the Apps section. Then we scroll down more and tap on Force Allow Apps on External. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here it said, makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.